And gals, Brad here, LaytonSportsCards, ripping 1920 Obsidian Basketball 6-box number 9 random teams. Got Jeff S. Rockets Pacers, Akihiro Y Mavericks, Amadeo D Jazz Pistons, Glenn M Clippers, Logan L Celtics, Derek B Warriors, Logan L Magic Nets and Sixers, Akihiro Y Wizards, Scott P Hornets, Diego G Blazers, David C Grizz, Clifton J Nugs, Logan L Bucks, Eric H Thunder, Michael C Cavs, Elizabeth B T-Wolves, Kashi H Hawks, Logan L Raptors Kings, Jason G Suns, Logan L Bulls, Huang T Lakers, Scott M Knicks, William R Heat, Robert T Pelicans, Albert Y Spurs. Alright, let's do it, guys. This was supposed to end 9 o'clock. Okay. Basley Silver, DeMar DeRozan, Jingles Jazz, Yellow, Zach LaVine, Bulls, that's 2 of 10, Orange Die Cut, Pascal Siakam, it's a 35, Raptors, Bulls Auto, 7 of 10, Greg Anthony. There you go, Bulls. And Thunder to 99, rookie auto, Darius Bazley. Sorry, this chair is still loud, guys. C.D. Osman, Jaylen Brown, Willie Cauley-Stein, purple Lauri Markkanen, Bulls, again. They're getting a lot of cards. 75. Die cut, Nugs, Jamal Murray to 25. Rockets auto to 49, Calvin Murphy. Three of 5. Rookie red auto Clippers, Fiondu Cavangeli. Westbrook, orange, DeAndre Jordan to 50. Orange to 35, Nikola Jokic die cut, Denver. Auto to 75, Nets, Jarrett Jack. To 99, rookie jersey auto, Kevin Porter Jr., Cavaliers. Nice KPJ. Obsidian full case up next. Jay Warren, Darius Garland, Harrison Barnes, purple to 75, D'Angelo Russell. Yes, I got shoulder pieces, and I got a belt, and they were both good pieces. Got Ben Simmons, Philly to 99. Cavs, auto to 99, Craig Elo. And Sixers, auto to 25, Dr. J. Nice. There you go, Philly. Nice Dr. J. Yeah, it was just the patch version. I mean, I say just, but it's still an insane card. I wish I pulled it. Sabonis, Gafford, Jaylen Brown, /50, Chris Middleton. Green, DeAndre Ayton, Suns, /25. Kings /75, jersey auto, Bogdan Bogdanovic. There you go, Sacramento. And Pacers /50, rookie jersey auto, Goga Bitadze. There you go, Pacers. I want to show you guys something after this. Basley, DeMar DeRozan, Barea, gold, Marcus Morris /10, Clippers. Nikola Jokic die cut again /50 this time. Heat auto /75, Myers Leonard. And Hawks auto, 1/25, Trae Young. Nice hit, Hawks. And there you go. That does it for the Obsidian 6-box. Tiered case up next.